Said the bird.
小鸟叫它，
But he couldn't hear it.
但是它没听见。小狗叫它，
But he couldn't hear it.
但是它没听见。
Can you hear me? His wife shouted.
你听得见我说话吗？他的妻子大声地叫着。
I think
你早上啊，
I've lost
你早上吓我一跳啊！
我好像聋了。
你
Yes,
贝多芬失去了听力。
That's bad news, especially for musicians.
但是相愿意的话，尤其是音乐家。
It was a very sad day.
那今天我很